Hi, it's Matt Mathias here, the Fit and Freepreneur from fitandfree.life, and I've just found Wish. So the first thing that I did was buy this dash cam. Now let's see what they actually sent me. Okay, so I got this I think it's a dash cam from Wish. So let's see if I can open it up and see what we've got. Okay, first impressions. It's a bit battered. The box is very flimsy. It felt like that in the bag, to be honest with you. It's just straight to the bag. There's no bubble wrap or anything. So let's get inside and see what it's like. So again, no tape. So let's open it up, and there it is. Now, to be honest with you, that is shocking. Look at that. That is shocking. That looks like it's been yeah. That is shocking. That looks like it's been broken. That doesn't look sturdy at all. And you know, can you see the scratches there? That, you know, no. That, my friends, is going to be sent back. It's not actually, you know, it just looks like it's been just opened, you know. That's not even, no, that looks really poor. It's really poor quality. I think I paid about 10 quid for that, and I'm going to contact Wish now and say, hey, this is a piece of rubbish. No, it even looks like it's been handled and played with, doesn't it? So feels very, very flimsy. Okay, so that's the advanced portable car camcorder. Yeah, a bit disappointed in that, to be honest with you. Okay, so what I did, I sent in the pictures, and within an hour they sent me a refund. It took me, well, it took them about 2 or 3 days for it to hit my account, but it was done, sorted out, no problem at all. And the excellent thing was, they didn't even make me go to the faff of posting it back to them and all that palaver. Anyway, would I use Wish again? Yes. Would my expectations be lower? Yes, it would. The whole point now is, if you are looking to earn an extra $500 on autopilot online, there's going to be a link after, you know, in the description, at the top of the description. If you'd like to like, subscribe and comment, you know, that's all good, and I hope to maybe do a follow-up video on the next Wish purchase before long. Okay, so that's me. Bye for now.